Hi. Today I want to talk about this bike I got. It's basically it's a Schwinn Varsity 1300, and they have these at the big discount stores. And basically, it is the lightest bike I ever had in my life. It's very easy to pick up. I bought it used, and it's very fast. It wants to coast. It wants to go. The gears move really smooth. The brakes work really well. It took me a little while to get used to have the brakes up here, so they have the brakes down here as well. But it's not that big of a deal to do that. I'm not going very fast on these bikes anymore. When I was a kid, I'm sure I would take this thing as fast as possible. I think I could take this thing up to like 12 miles an hour, and that's enough for me. I don't think you have a problem getting up to 20 plus on this thing, maybe even 30 depending on what type of hill. I'm just not going to go down a hill with a bike at 30 miles an hour anymore. And anyways, it's a good bike. So if you see one of these, is it an expensive bike? Not really, in comparison to an expensive $5,000, $500 or $1,000, $2,000 bike. But for a couple $100 range, a little under a couple $100 range, I think you can pick these up used, and I think you'll probably enjoy it. So go out there and bike along, rock and roll, everybody. I'm gonna go bike.